Hello YouTubers. Okay, this is gonna be really cool. I have this video camera, and this is gonna be cool. This is actually recorded in 2002. So yeah, 12 years ago. So I'm gonna play it. Yeah, this is what we used to have.
You think you got a swarm? Oh my gosh.
I'll let you watch the video and be quiet.
What on earth? Huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, something just interrupted him. Oh my god, I'm getting this on film. Oh my god. Whoa, this is freaking.
And ignore the background noise in this video too.
They're not okay. There are only a few in our backyard, little stragglers. Cause there's. Oh my god.
Okay. Let's see. Well, it's actually snowing out there, so that's what it looks like right now. So yeah, I'm gonna post this on YouTube, and I'm so sorry about all the videos are not up. I have like tons of them I need to get up too. So I wish I had time for that. So yeah, bye bye.